Okay, so I want to practice creating a new page. I have it written up here. Let's create a new FAQ page that gives users instructions on how to fill out a feedback form and thanks them for their participation. Again, just want to create something just to see how that works for creating new pages. So let me just make this more specific. Let's have the URL path be, and I guess this will add a navigation, and let's also add a navigation bar to our app. All right, I'm not gonna chat. Let's just go ahead and run it and see how that works. Okay, lovable is done. So it says I went ahead and created that, and so now we have header, and then we have the feedback page. I actually like how it did this. And then here's the FAQ page. So I actually didn't give it really much detail on what to put in here, but it went ahead and added all this content, which is pretty cool. And I could easily go in here and edit anything that I didn't like in terms of the text. Zooming. Well, not specifically, but I guess I could ask it for changes. Change the style by prompting in the chat box. Edit spacing. So yeah, pretty cool that it was able to do that. So now we have an FAQ page. And I want to come out of edit mode, so let's do that. Okay. Very cool. Okay, then I think the next step I want to do is a refactor. So refactor both pages to make sure the code is scalable. Okay, so just a sanity check just to make sure things are good there. Trying to do a quick refactor, although for something as basic as this, not necessarily a big deal, just messing around, but just to go through the exercise. Whoa. Okay. That happened live. So it's pretty cool. It tries to fix things automatically. I don't know what just happened there, but I'll read through it and then I think we're all done. So it says refactored both pages with reusable components. Page layout for consistent structure. Okay. I don't necessarily know what all that means, but it worked, and so we should be good now. I think the next step we'll do is figure out how to deploy this bad boy. But that will be a separate video.